In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to a Pinterest board. First, open your browser and search for Pinterest. Type the word Pinterest into the search bar, then press enter. You should see results with the familiar red Pinterest logo next to them. A beginner mistake here is clicking an ad for something else, so check that the web address shown in the result actually includes the word Pinterest. Once you see the correct result, leave this tab open because we will sign in from here in the next step. Now click the correct Pinterest link and sign in. After clicking, you should land on the Pinterest sign-in page with options to continue with email or with other accounts. Enter the email and password connected to your Pinterest account, then click the button to sign in. If you type your password incorrectly, Pinterest will show an error message near the top, so you can try again. When the details are correct, Pinterest will load your home feed automatically, and you will see a grid of images and ideas. Once you reach the feed, hover over the image you want. Move your mouse slowly over different images until you find something you would like to save. As you hover on an image, you will notice extra buttons appear on top of it, usually near the top or upper right. This hover state only shows while your mouse is on the image, so if the buttons disappear, just move back over the same image. Take a second to be sure you have the exact image you want, because you are about to choose a board for it. Next, click the down arrow next to the board name. On many accounts, Pinterest suggests a default board here, such as one you used recently, and shows its name in a small button. Right beside that name you will see a tiny down arrow icon. Click directly on that arrow, not on the Save button yet. After you click, a small menu will open, usually dropping down beneath the arrow. From there, select the board you want from the list. In this list, you will see all of your existing boards by name. Scroll if you have many boards and the one you want is not immediately visible. Click the board name where you want this image to be stored. As soon as you click, the board name next to the arrow updates, showing the new board so you can confirm you chose the right place before saving. With your board selected, click Save on the right side of it. You will see the Save button on the same row as the board name you just chose. Click that Save button once. The button will briefly change to show that the pin has been saved, and then it returns you to your feed with no extra steps needed. Your chosen image is now added to that Pinterest board and ready to view later. You just learned how to search Pinterest, pick any image from your feed, and save it neatly to the right board. If this helped you get your boards organized, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Pinterest tips.